So, hi everyone, I'm Riches Rubia from Business 2B, and for this activity, I'm going to talk about what professional relationship means to me, and I will share some view of my own experiences. So, for me, guys, a professional relationship is like a working connections. You have with people you interact within a learning or work environment. It's more than just being a friendly. It's about having a respectful and reliable interactions where can everyone understand a certain limits, and it means we can work together effectively because there's a trust, and we treat each other with respect, uh, keeping things focused on our shared goals, whether that's finishing a group project or helping each other to understand a tough lessons. It's about being a mature and responsible in how we connect with classmates, schoolmates, peers, and our future colleagues. So for the number two, share a good experience you had with a colleague. I remember in our group project in major last year. So, syempre mag-iba kaming website. I was working with a classmate named Aliyah. At first we were all a bit stressed because the project was seemed really complicated. But Aliyah was really good at breaking down the problem into smaller, manageable tasks. They were also super encouraging and always made sure everyone felt heard when we were brainstorming ideas. We communicated really well, assigned roles based on our strength, and supported each other when we faced roadblocks. Because of that good working relationship, we not only finished the project on time, but also got a really good grade. Sakto lang. So it showed me how much easier and more enjoyable it is to work with someone when you have that mutual respect and good communications. So for the number three, guys, sabi dito, talk about why it's important to set boundaries and be professional. Setting boundaries and being a professional is super important because it helps everyone stay focused and comfortable. If we don't have boundaries, things can get messy. For example, constantly asking for favors or constantly asking for favors that are not related to schoolwork or not respecting someone's personal time can strain relationships. Being a professional means communicating respectfully even when we disagree. Gaya sa atin na estudyante, tapos may kipag-usap tayo sa mga sa mga guro natin, sa mga professor natin, instructors. Kailangan nilang maging professional para sa atin, and tayo din, kailangan natin silang respetuhin. So, it means being reliable with our commitments, and professional behavior create a stable and productive environment where everyone knows what to expect and can feel respected. It prevents misunderstanding and keeps the focus on learning and achieving our goals together. For the number 4, mention any problems you face and how you solve them. So, related dun sa napag-usapan natin na nauna. I remember once in a group assignment, one of our members, let's call her Ruela, wasn't really pulling their weight. The rest of us, like, we were doing most of the work, and it started to create some tension within the group. We were getting frustrated, but we also didn't want to cause a big conflict. So we decided to have an open and honest conversation with her. We calmly explained how we were feeling and asked if there was anything preventing them from contributing. It turned out her was having some personal issues they were struggling with. While that did not excuse not doing the work. So it gave us a better understanding. Then we then worked together to adjust the task slightly and offered support where we could. By communicating openly and respectfully, we managed to address the problem without the situations escalating and eventually completed assignment as a team. And lastly, give tips to classmates on how to build professional relationships. So for my classmates, here are a few tips on building good professional relationships. First, listen actively. Yan. Respeto natin, syempre. When someone's talking, really pay attention and try to understand their point of view, and show a genuine interest. And for the number 2, communicate clearly and respectfully. Be clear on your own communication and always treat others with respect, even if you have different opinions. For the number 3, reliable. Be reliable. If you say you're going to do something, make sure you follow through. People will trust you more if you're dependable. And respect boundaries yan. Be mindful of others people's time and personal space. Do not overstep and assume it's okay to ask for personal favors or constantly interrupt them outside of work or school hours. Offer help and support. Yan. Be willing to help others when they need it. A little support can go a long way in building strong connections. Seek and give constructive feedback. Be open to receiving feedback on how you work with others, and when giving feedback, focus on being helpful and respectful. And last, network and connect. Take opportunities to interact with your classmates and peers, even outside of a specific task. Building a wider network can be really beneficial in the long run. Yung magkakaroon naman ng friends. So, building good professional takes effort, but it makes learning and working together much more positive and productive. Thanks for listening.